action verbs vocabulary. About 100 common action verbs name in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Awake, brush, bath, paint, ask, answer, clean, dig, hide, hug, fight, pinch, beg, break, bite, clap, climb, comb, lift, exercise, play, hate, catch, kick, rise, set, burn, fly, run, see, cry, crawl, feed, eat, come, go, call, hear, look, sing, listen, yawn, care, move, put, show, watch, rinse, drive, ride, swing, swim, scream, cook, knock, enter, close, cut, empty, follow, dance, jump, throw, lie, read, write, drink, sleep, dry, laugh, smell, sneeze, give, help, pluck, pour, share, water, hold, kneel, plant, pray, suck, wait, seek, stand, stop, walk, taste, wink, sit, think, wear, talk, study, teach, lean, pick, steal, part, pee, poop,